In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the AI Spider-Man trend that has been going around on TikTok. So first things first, you need to have this application installed, Photoleap. It is a paid application. However, you have the option to try. So let's click on Photoleap. Now it will load like this. Now what you need to look for is this AI generation. What you'd need to look for is this AI edit called AI anime. So click on AI anime, click on continue. It will ask you to select a photo from your gallery. Let's select this one. And you'd need to select custom and type Spider-Verse. Click on the arrow. And there you have it. You could click on to generate another image. And once you're satisfied, you could simply click on save. Now, when you save, it will create this with a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you'd have to get the premium version of this application. So that is basically how to go about doing the Spider-Verse edit or trend on TikTok. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hacker Plus 7 out.